Guitarists, my name's Amber and welcome to another guitar tutorial. In today's lesson, I'm going to be teaching you how to play Sky Full of Stars by Coldplay. The first half of this lesson, I'm going to be teaching you how to play 5 chords plus 1 strumming pattern that we use throughout the entire song. And if you stick around for the second half of this lesson, I'll be teaching you how to play that super catchy riff that I was playing at the beginning of this video. So let's jump in. The first thing you're going to want to do is place a capo on the 6th fret. The 5 chords we need for the song are C major, A minor, F major 7, E minor, and G major. Now, for the majority of the song, this includes the verse, the pre-chorus, and the chorus. We're going to be using the following chords in the same order on repeat, starting on an A minor, moving across to the F major 7, to C major, and to E minor. So like I said, those 4 chords get repeated over and over again for pretty much 80% of the song. Next, we're going to move along to the strumming pattern. We have 1 strumming pattern that we use throughout the entire song. It's really easy and it sounds like this. Down, down, up, up, down. Down, down, up, up, down. And we play 1 round of the strumming pattern on each chord during the entire song. Why don't you grab your guitar and join me while we play through those 4 chords in that order with the new strumming pattern. Let's go. Starting on A minor. Ready? 2, 3, go. To F major 7, C, E minor. One more time. Now the second chord progression that we need to learn is used in the outro of the song. The chord sequence starts on an F major 7, it then goes to a G major, to A minor, and ends on a C. We also use the same strumming pattern that we were using previously. 1, 2, 3, 4. Awesome, you guys, you've just learned how to play the entire song of Sky Full of Stars from beginning to end. So if you want to jump to the end of this video, I do a play along where you can join me in playing through the entire song. However, if you want to stick around now, I'm going to be teaching you how to play that really funky riff that you heard from the beginning of the lesson. Right, moving on to the guitar riff. This is the part of the song we hear when the beat drops and we hit that chorus. So I'm going to be pulling up some tab onto the screen to help you with the notes, but if you can't read tab, that's also okay. I will be explaining everything that we will be doing. Now, the entire riff is only going to be using string number 2 and string number 1. I'm going to be teaching it in 4 notes at a time. So the first 4 notes, we start with our first finger in the 1st fret on the 2nd string, and we play that note 3 times. We're then going to put our 3rd finger into the 3rd fret on the same string and play that once. So the first 4 notes. The next 4 notes, we're going to be on our 1st string with our 1st finger in the 1st fret. And we're going to play that 4 times. So let's recap what we've learned so far, starting with our 1st finger in the 1st fret on our 2nd string. 1st finger, 1st fret, 1st string. Right, moving on to the next 4 notes. This is the easiest part of the riff. We're going to play 4 open strings on the first string. And the last 4 notes of the riff, we're going to put that 3rd finger back into the 3rd fret on our 2nd string and play that 4 times. So those 4 notes, starting with the open string and 3rd finger, 3rd fret, 2nd string. I'm going to play the entire riff from beginning to end so that you can hear how it sounds all together. One, two, three, 4. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. I hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. As always, don't forget to like this video, hit that notifications button, and to subscribe to my channel. That way you'll never miss any lessons that I post in the future. Any thoughts, questions, or requests, please don't forget to drop them down below in the comments, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Have a great day. Bye!